Always wanted to use the color overlay effect inside of Photoshop, but never knew exactly where to start? Well, if that's the case, then you're in luck, since in this video I'm going to walk you through the entire process and show you how easy it is to do so. I'm Andrew, and you're watching an Envato Tuts Plus tutorial. So what does the color overlay layer style effect actually do? Well, as the name suggests, it allows us to quickly overlay a custom color onto the surface of our subject in order to shift its appearance by giving it a different look or mood. We can apply the effect on anything from a photo to a basic shape or even a text segment, the process itself being really simple, as we will get to see in the following moments. For example purposes, let's say that we have a basic shape to which we want to add a color overlay to. We're going to start by heading over to the Layers panel and then selecting the layer containing our shape. Once the layer is selected, we're going to head over to the panel's bottom section and click on the FX button, which will open up a list of all the available layer styles that we can use. Here we'll want to click on Color Overlay, which will immediately bring up the layer style window. We can achieve the same result by double-clicking on the layer itself and then checking the effect from within the style's left-sided panel, or by heading over to Layer, Layer Style, Color Overlay. Once the layer style window is visible, we can easily access all its different settings, the first one being blend mode, which allows us to control how the effect blends with our shape in terms of color. We can choose between 27 different blend modes, which depending on the nature of our project and the color of the overlay itself, will produce different looking results. On the right side we have the color box, which is where we actually get to pick a custom value for our color overlay. Moving on down, we have opacity, which allows us to adjust the transparency of the effect using either the horizontal slider or the percentage input box. Depending on the type of project that we're working on, using a lower or higher opacity level will always give us a different looking result. If we want to, we can always save the current effect settings by using the Make Default button, or we can fully reset them using the Reset to Default one. Once we are done adjusting all the different settings, we can hit OK, and the Layers panel will update itself by displaying a little FX icon next to the corresponding layer. If needed, we can easily adjust the effect at any time by simply double-clicking on it and then fine-tuning it accordingly. And that's pretty much all you have to do. As always, I hope you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one.